Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, let's start with the chart of dollar index DXY, because DXY is the most popular currency and also the most traded currency in the whole world. So knowing the important levels, critical levels of DXY is very important for any forex trader. So DXY is still struggling around 103.60, the resistance level we have been talking about for the last couple of days. And we can clearly see the range of DXY is still the same. But one thing that we can clearly see on the chart right now, that though market has failed to cross the resistance here, but market has also formed an ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. It means that there is a high chance that we will get to see a breakout by the coming week, because there is a resistance at the top, but whenever market is coming down, it is not breaking the previous lows, which signifies that new buyers are coming, new buyers are joining, and the buyers are very serious to take the market up. And as we all know, fundamental factors are also aligned. As a result, there is a chance that DXY will be going up by the next week. Okay, and in case DXY surprises us, because market is full of surprises, then in that case, if there is a drop, the next support on DXY will be around 102.80. And in case of a big drop, 102.50 will be the next support. These are the two support levels, and resistance is around 103.60. So that's all about DXY. If you have watched my previous videos, then probably you know it how we have derived this level. So I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again and again. Okay, so now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. But before I proceed, I would like to take you to forexfactory.com, because you can see that on Monday and Tuesday we don't have any news coming on US dollar, and the next big news is coming on Wednesday. So for the first 2 days, you can expect that due to absence of any news, the technicals will dominate the market. As we all know that Euro USD is in downtrend for quite some time, and my dear friends, as we all know it very well, that for a trend reversal we need the backing of a fundamental factor. And on Monday and Tuesday we don't have any big news coming up that will push the market towards the upside. In absence of any news, in absence of any fundamental factors, we should be following the trend of the market only. As we can clearly see on the chart that the trend of the market is towards the downside. As a result, taking a sell at resistance or sell on rise is the best trading strategy we can follow right now, because if market goes up also, there will be sellers at resistance, and obviously the sellers are much stronger right now in this context. So let's look at the levels then. So first of all, we have the resistance around 0895 to 1.0900. This is the first resistance on the chart of Euro USD. Right after the market opening, if Euro USD shows upside, observe the volatility of the market. As we know, my dear friends, that volatility of the market plays a very big role, and usually during the first half of Monday we don't get to see much volatility. In that case, if Euro USD shows upside around 1.0895, 1.0900, we have the first resistance. Why we have the first resistance? We have the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, we also have the 100 moving average. It can be 1.0890 also. Okay, so around this level you can see that we have the first resistance. If market shows upside, goes up, observe the market on 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame. If you see that price is struggling around the area, you will get the confirmation that sellers are present. You can go for a sell position. And in case market surprises us with good volatility, then your second resistance will be around 1.0925 to 1.0930. Here we have the FIBO 38.2% retracement level. We have strong resistance around the area. Previous support will also be working as resistance here, and also we have the 200 moving average. If we combine all the factors, 1.0925, 1.0930 is a strong resistance where we can expect strong sellers to be present, And if market reverses according to expectation, we can also look for a sell. And the third resistance is around 1.0950, around this area. FIBO 50% retracement level, previous price rejection around the area, makes it 1.0950, 1.0955, also a very lucrative resistance for the sellers. And as we all know, round numbers are psychological support resistances. So 1.0950 is a round number, so obviously it has some additional benefit, okay, for us. So these are the three resistances on the chart of Euro USD where we can look for sell considering the present trend of the market. But usually on Monday, we don't get to see much volatility during the first half. So chances of market going to 1.0930, 1.0950 are very less. And as we can clearly see, that market is already struggling around a 50 moving average here. So I will not recommend any position right after the market opening. Let's wait and watch. Okay. And my dear friends, if you're wondering about support, then yes, we need to move towards a little bit of complicacy. So please don't mind. My dear friends, if you are looking for Hindi analysis, then this is our Hindi channel that I have started recently with my wife. अगर आपको हिंदी समझ में आता है, अगर आपको हिंदी एनालिसिस की तलाश है, तो आप बेझिझक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. सुबह आपको अपडेट मिलेगा मेरे इंग्लिश चैनल में, और शाम को जस्ट बिफोर द यूएस सेशन इस चैनल पे हम लोग वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं ताकि पूरा दिन आपको अपडेट्स मिलता रहे. ठीक है, आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. फील फ्री टू सब्सक्राइब. First of all, I would like to take you to the daily chart. Okay, in my previous video also I have shown you this thing. On a daily chart, we can see that Euro USD is trading in an upward channel here. So if you're a swing trader, okay, listen to me carefully. If you're a swing trader, if you're a positional trader, then this is the right setup for you. Whatever we have discussed just now, okay, the resistance level, okay, those are not for you if you're a swing trader or positional traders, because your trades last for a couple of days to couple of weeks. You can see the market is forming beautiful swings here, and right now market is coming down to complete the cycle here. The number will be around 1.0780, 1.0800. We have the trend line working as support here. Along with that, we also have the 200 moving average. So around this area, we have a very strong support. So if you're a swing trader, wait for the market. Once you'll see the market is reversing from here, this will be the perfect entry, right entry for you. But yes, follow proper risk management also. So this is the setup on higher time frame. Okay, and this is the trend line. Let me change the color here. Let me change the color to red. Okay, and right now market is standing here, and you can see here this is also the support zone. Now try to understand my point here. It may sound a little bit complicated. You can see here already market is almost standing at the support here, but you can see the market is not going up. It means that the support is not working nicely. The buyers in the market does not have the market to take the market up. In this scenario, obviously taking a buy at support, okay, is little bit risky. And we can also see that the fundamentals are also not helping us at all. So technicals are not in our side, the fundamentals are also not in our favor. In that case, taking a buy at support is a little bit risky. During the weekend, if any news comes out that changes the market sentiment, that's a different chapter. But right now we don't have any big news. Okay, so taking a buy at support is a little bit risky. So on Monday or Tuesday, if market breaks 1.0835, you can look for a quick sell position also if you have the risk appetite. Okay. But if you are a defensive kind of a trader, if you only prefer to go for safe trading opportunities, then wait for the market to hit 1.0800, 1.0780, the trend line at the bottom, in simple words. Here you can expect the market to bounce and you can look for a buy position. So I have discussed many things, so let me wrap it up. So as the present trend of the market is towards the downside, so we should mostly be looking for sell positions only, sell on rise or sell at resistance, because already market is standing at support, but we can clearly see that market doesn't have the strength to take the market up. In that case, okay, taking a sell at resistance is a safer thing to do. Right after the market opening, if market goes up, the first resistance will be around 1.0900, 1.0890. It's a weak resistance level, but if the market remains low volatile because it's a Monday market, we can look for a sell 25 to 30 pips. But if market shows volatility, then we have a good resistance around 1.0930 and 1.0950. These are the two reliable resistance levels on the chart of Euro USD, where we can look for some selling pressure. As the market is inside an upward channel here and market is trying to complete a cycle here, so the best thing or the best support is around the trend line at the bottom that we have derived from the higher time frame, daily time frame, which is around 1.0800. So if you're looking for a safe buy swing position, then this is the trade for you. If market takes support and bounces, we can look for a buy. But if you are a risk taker, if you love to take risk, you can look for a sell below 1.0835 as well. But personally, I will not take. Okay, so if you want to take, that's your personal choice. I will not comment on that. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of euro dollar that I can see right now. I'm not predicting any direction for the market here because I do not have the expertise. Okay, because nobody can predict the market's direction. Obviously, I can also do that. I'm also a retail trader, and most importantly, I'm a hardcore day trader. I prefer to trade from level to level only, especially on charts like this where we don't have any clear direction. Market looks choppy. I prefer to trade from one level to another. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Have a happy weekend. Follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Enjoy the weekend with your friends and family. Bye-bye. Take care. My dear friends, if you are looking for Hindi analysis, then this is our Hindi channel that I have started recently with my wife. अगर आपको हिंदी समझ में आता है, अगर आपको हिंदी एनालिसिस की तलाश है, तो आप बेझिझक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. सुबह आपको अपडेट मिलेगा मेरे इंग्लिश चैनल में, और शाम को जस्ट बिफोर द यूएस सेशन इस चैनल पे हम लोग वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं ताकि पूरा दिन आपको अपडेट्स मिलता रहे. ठीक है, आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. फील फ्री टू सब्सक्राइब.